In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to change your country or region on Temu. So if you want to change your country or region on your Temu mobile application, you proceed and you now click on the Temu mobile app. So now once you click on the mobile app, you now navigate to your profile icon below. So now once you click on your profile icon, the next step is for you now to proceed and you now click on settings at this point. So now once you click on your settings, you now click on country and region. So at this point, you now set for your country and you now select the new country you wish to switch to. So if you are sure, and you now proceed and you now switch to the country. So right now, if you want to verify, if you click on your settings and your country, you now see your country has been changed from Nigeria to the country you selected. So this is how to change your country on Temu. If this is helpful, you don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.